I'm Doug.
And I'm Brooke, and welcome to iPhone 101. And we are actually at one of our favorite local coffee shops doing our podcast today. So if you hear any strange background noises, it's just them making drinks.
Yeah, like right now I think they're doing that thing with
the espresso machine?
Yeah, that thing.
Yeah, so
yeah, but
we'll
that's
see.
okay. It smells good.
It's good ambiance.
Yeah. So first we got to talk about a couple things.
Yes.
Moso, which is what this episode is sponsored by.
Yes.
And our website is hosted on.
Yeah.
And what was I going to say about Moso? We have a promotion code, which we talked about last night, I believe.
Did we? Yes.
Which is iPhone. You get a discount if you use iPhone when you sign up.
Mm-hmm.
And then I do have to say that we did have a little trouble lately, and they were helping us figure that all out. And I actually, it took little longer than we wanted to.
It did.
But we did get a phone call from the owner of the company, and saying that it was all going to be straightened out, and it's all taken care of now. But the fact of the matter is, the customer service has proven itself once again.
Yes.
So this is why we stay with
Excellent customer service. Excellent.
Yep. And we have a logo.
We do! Yay!
Yeah. And so here it is. Ta-da! And,
I'm assuming that's going to be a layover.
yeah, and we like it.
We do. We love it.
We couldn't go with anything with Apple in it, because if Apple ever sues us, makes us take our name up, change our name, we can't have Apple in there. And there are some really good Apple ones, but we just couldn't do it. So it's just our best option. So
yeah, we really like it.
Yeah, we love it. And we'll be getting business cards and T-shirts and all these things. We'll probably be sending out some T-shirts.
Sure, yeah.
Some bands.
Oh yeah, totally.
Look for that in the future.
Maybe some prizes or something.
Yeah. So let's get to the headlines.
Good idea.
Because there's some big ones. Okay, so this episode is going to be all about the 3G iPhone.
It is just all about the rumors and what's to come and what's maybe not to come and that kind of thing.
Yeah, so let's start with 3G. I mean, it is 3G.
It is 3G.
What's that mean?
That means that is the higher speed.
That's right.
It does.
And how fast, Brooke?
3G.
It's supposed to be around 7.2 megabits per second.
Yes.
But supposedly
not how many did that guy say it was?
40.
Yeah.
40. That was the head of some guy in Australia. We're waiting for the espresso machine. I think that was coffee bean grinding, actually. Like she's banging on the cup right now. Okay, so
anyway,
we were talking about. Oh, it's the guy from Australia.
Yes.
He was saying that by Christmas it would be like 40 megabits per second.
Which isn't even possible because the chip only goes up to
14, I think.
Yeah, 14.
But in the United States, it's a lot less than that. I don't even think it's 7. I think it's like 1.5, or I don't know.
That's really
don't
bad.
quote me on that. But anyways, it's way better than 150. Right
oh
now.
yeah.
Which would be 1.5 would be 1,500. Right now we're like 150 to 300.
Yeah.
Maybe.
So it'll be definitely an improvement.
Yeah. So 3G is going to be faster. Now, what's that mean? Things like the rumor of camera in the front.
Yes.
That's right. There's a huge rumor that there's going to be a camera embedded in the glass in the front, like in the back. And now we're going to grind some more coffee beans. And wait for the cup. Should be for our blooper reel.
How many times we had to stop while coffee beans were being...
Hopefully that was the last one.
So,
Okay.
camera in the front.
So yeah, camera in the front.
And still a camera in the back too, though.
Yeah.
So it'd be
you
two.
still need to be able to hold it up and see what you're doing and take a picture.
Right.
But you need to be able to
Video
chat.
conference. Yeah.
Yeah, that would be awesome.
Yeah, so totally be like, "Ooh, hi.
So think if you're like out looking at it in a car and you're like, hey honey, check out this car I'm looking at, and you could like picture in picture maybe, or just like flip it over and be like, okay, look at this picture, look at this car, and then flip
it back.
Yeah, so I'm really thinking that I like this car because it's a Corvette. Yeah.
And then you could be like, honey, no.
Yeah, see, no, I'm trying to cook dinner. Bye. So that's just one example of many. Now,
yeah, it could be huge. It's gonna be huge.
Yeah,
hopefully.
and so speaking of video, on the phone like that, TV. would be huge.
Oh, and you know what? TV is actually not a new concept. We have had TV on our phones
Yeah, when
in
we
the
were on
past.
Sprint, we used to stream.
Yeah.
It was a lot smaller.
And AT&T actually already has the ability to watch TV on your phones, but it just hasn't been implemented into the iPhone yet.
No,
which
that's because there's no 3G on the iPhone.
Right.
Yeah. So that's going to be pretty sweet. Can you imagine if you could just watch TV?
Oh, yeah, I'm going to love it.
American Idol.
I'm going to love
TiVo
it.
stuff.
We could do it on your phone before, remember? That was so sweet.
Yep. Yeah. I'm ready.
Yeah.
Okay, and then the obvious one is GPS. Apple's dumb if they don't follow through on this one.
Right.
TomTom, that would be sweet. TomTom on the iPhone, they could just put their own
totally
software on there.
and they could totally make an app through SDK or whatever through an App Store.
Yep, and then applications could use that to target things
Oh, yeah.
and do certain things. You know, like you walk into a coffee shop that says, "Hey, you're at this coffee shop, and here's the special."
You're stealing my web app.
Oh, not yet. Oh yeah. So that involves also geotagging for pictures.
And this is awesome because Flickr already has geotagging implemented into their photos, and so you can just do it when you upload a photo. You can geotag it or whatever. But if you could just take the photo on your iPhone and then it just geotags it with your location, that would be awesome.
Which right now some of the programs we have do that,
Yes,
but it's kind
they
of
do.
really generic. You know how that big circle thing?
Yeah. The ginormous circle according to that one video.
According to Sprint's
Yeah.
instinct.
Okay, the circle is not ginormous, but whatever.
Sometimes.
Sometimes
When
it
you're
is.
in the
Yeah,
movies,
you're
it
right.
is.
Yeah, you're right.
So yeah, geotagging pictures is actually something that people have found in the new, I think it's Beta 5 firmware.
Mm-hmm.
And of course, since the old iPhone doesn't have GPS, it doesn't actually work, but they've seen it.
Right.
So
Another up and coming thing, maybe rumor, we don't know, is that it'll be different colors. Not a ton of different colors. There's been some rumors that it'll have red and but the real more stable rumors are black and white.
yeah.
So the thing about that though is that it's also rumored that it's a plastic case instead of a metal case, which personally I'm not big on.
No.
I like the metal case.
Like I like my rubber case that I have on it because it's easier to hold on to, but I like that the phone is metal inside. It's hard.
Well, what I'm concerned about is that if I drop it and it's a plastic case, it'll crack or
Because
break.
even that bottom piece, is plastic. Right now. So can you imagine if the whole thing was that plasticky? I don't think that's cool.
I don't know. That might totally be a rumor because I don't know if they'd go away from the metal case, but maybe they will.
Oh,
I don't know if I'd like that.
Another thing is new countries are being added.
Tons and
Big
of
ones
new
are
countries.
Australia and Canada, which has been waiting for a while, going through
Wasn't
Rogers.
Japan and China?
Yeah, no, China.
Or Japan and Korea.
Which would be South Korea.
Yeah. My bad.
But because those ones some of those like Africa and Poland are owned by or have O2 in them.
Right, and so they're saying they're going to expand theirs.
That.
Yeah.
There's other countries that are rumors like Japan and Korea are still a rumor right now.
India is part of the O2
I think so.
thing, right? Yeah.
I think so. But
so there's quite a few. It's
that's gonna explode.
Oh yeah, totally expand the market. It's going to be huge.
They say there's about 2 million or so iPhones right now, and they plan on
Predict about 10 million. Yeah.
by the end of the year.
Yeah,
So
definitely, totally sweet.
yeah, we'll take that.
Oh yeah.
The App Store.
Oh yeah, obviously the App Store.
Yeah,
that's
and
an
applications.
that's an obvious one. Yeah, and there's tons of we get a few emails from developers, and we've got a few developers that we know, and that we just have kind of a sneak peek of some of the applications that are coming, and it's going to be good stuff. Yeah.
Yeah, this isn't
totally
individuals
sweet.
that are making these are companies.
Yeah.
This is like AOL and some Messenger,
Yeah,
type
and
stuff.
other smaller companies, but companies
right
that are getting these together, and they're good. They have the people and the money to put behind them to back them, and they're good applications.
Yeah, and if you're seeing our podcast on iTunes and don't know what we're talking about, see, right now we have hacked programs in the iPhone.
Yes.
But now
Jailbroken
Apple
iPhones.
with the SDK, which is a software developers kit that they've given to these developers to develop for the iPhone.
Yes, so they have the
now-
actual Apple software that they can work with.
And it's going to be legit now.
Right.
And
And,
so if
you
you
won't
have
have
an
to jailbreak
iPhone,
your iPhone. You can just have the App Store.
Yep.
Yeah.
Just install them right
It's huge. It's huge.
Yeah, it's going to be huge.
Oh, yeah.
A lot of people are going to buy iPhones just for that reason.
And this one's good. This next one.
The iTunes downloads over the 3G. So right now, iTunes Store on your phone, you can buy music on your iPhone, but you have to be in a Wi-Fi area. And
Right.
right now, the coffee shop that I'm in has a router that doesn't support the iPhone.
Which we've run into quite a bit, having
Old
companies.
Chicago and our grocery store even has free Wi-Fi. I can't use it.
Yeah, we can't get on the routers just because of the way they're set up and the way our
Yeah.
iPhone kind of connects to them, and it's not working. But
Yeah, so
so I'm
imagine
totally that even
3G
yeah,
everywhere.
even better 3G now. Who cares
Yeah.
about routers?
Yeah, so if there's other people in the coffee shop slowing me down, I don't care because I got my phone.
Oh man, I can't wait, guys! I'm so excited.
I really wish they would make it so you could plug it into your laptop.
Oh, and yeah.
Because then we could write articles 24 hours a day.
Oh yeah.
While we're driving and everything. While I'm driving. Remember
No, not while
Type
he's
on
driving.
driving.
Yeah, let's not do that.
Okay, so...
normal headphone jack, which will be sweet because then you don't have the recessed one anymore, so you won't need that adapter.
Yep, that's
So
gonna be
that'll
cool.
be good.
I've heard that there's contact search, so right now when you go to your contacts, you have to like scroll around and find people.
Right.
You can actually like search for them.
There's tons of third-party apps that already search for it, but that's just a
That's
bug.
true. And then the iCal invite folder and it interacting with like corporate email and all that kind of stuff.
Yep.
Okay, and then I've also heard that you can save images from Safari into your camera roll.
Oh,
or
can
into your
I?
library.
Okay,
There's an
yeah.
image saver program right now that does that.
Oh yeah, there's a few of them.
But this one will be pretty simple. I mean, you just tap on the image, save it,
Oh
goes
yeah,
right into it.
cool.
By Apple.
Copy and paste. Now come on, Apple.
Yeah,
they
we
just
need
gotta
that.
come through on this.
You've got to. Just like
Yeah.
that little video that we plugged.
It's gotta be just like that video.
Yeah, because it's pretty perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah, it couldn't be any better.
Hope you live up to that, Apple.
Yeah, that's what you get. And then Intel, remember they spilled the beans on this
They did.
chip that's supposed to be in it. It's going to have an Intel chip in it.
Yeah.
And everybody's like, no, he didn't really say that. Yeah. I know."
He took back. I don't remember.
That's like what's his name, Mossberg, saying that the iPhone's in 60
Yeah.
days, and it's going to be in 60 days. So
Whoopsie.
I'm pretty sure Intel
They're all
had
fired.
that. Yeah. So they say it's going to have an Atom chip, which is this new
Right.
chip that they're releasing.
Right.
But we'll see about that. And then there's also been the tablet rumor.
Yes, this is huge, guys. I know it's not the iPhone, but this tablet is going to be sweet if it's
Just like a big iPhone.
if it's true. Yeah, it's just an oversized iPhone, pretty much.
Yeah, I wonder if it
But-
had 3G and you could get on the internet, because you wouldn't really want to talk on a phone. It's like it's big.
No.
But I mean, if it had Bluetooth, you could make phone calls with
Oh
it
yeah,
still.
definitely. Well, we'll see what that brings.
And you wouldn't even have to carry a phone. I mean, you would never have your phone. You could just use Bluetooth all the time.
That's true.
I don't know. It's an interesting concept.
The biggest part about 2.0 though is that all the apps that work now on the current firmware will not work on 2.0. They've just completely
No.
changed the structure of
Yeah.
the system, and they'd all have to be completely rewritten in order to work
Yeah.
on 2.0.
And-
There's a really good article by Big Boss
Yep.
that we linked to on our website. Put a link for that in
Yep.
the thing.
Show notes.
But he does a good article on that, saying that, you know, as excited as everyone is, that we're gonna have some issues with
Yeah.
some of the apps that are already created.
Well, and I can, from my opinion, from what I've heard, I don't think at least half, if not 3/4 of the apps won't pass the rules.
Well, I'm not
Because,
even
like,
talking about the
custom-
App Store. I'm talking about even just jailbreaking
Oh, that's correct.
on the
Yeah, when the
But
next firmware
the
comes
App
out.
Store, yeah,
Yeah, I see what you're saying. Yeah. Sorry guys, you're gonna have to work on some stuff. So we might be. Well, we're gonna buy a 3G phone as soon as it comes out, so
Right.
we'll have one. And of course, it won't be jailbroke, but we'll stay on 1.4 with our older phones for now. Maybe just switch one over. That way, we know how an old one works with the new firmware, things like that. So
Yeah, so
we'll have 3 phones.
keep an
at that
eye on the
point.
website. We'll definitely keep you informed on how apps are working, what's working with what, and that kind of thing. So
Yep. And the last. Oh, I was gonna show you some pictures. I've got some pictures of the rumored phones.
oh, okay.
So here's this first one with the white case.
Right.
It kind of looks like the one with the black case that I'm also going to show you. So there's a little bit of comparison there. What do you think?
Yeah, I
I
don't.
hope it doesn't look like that.
Yeah.
But if you notice the bottom of it, notice how there's 2 holes on each side.
Yeah, I see that.
So
Stereo.
it's possible stereo microphones and stereo
Yeah.
speakers. I'm not
Yeah.
sure. And then the 3 sensors on the.
On the
the front.
face, yeah.
Yep. And then the black one, of course, is just the back.
Man, I really hope it
This
doesn't
one
look like that. I think it's ugly.
There's supposedly someone has broken this rumor and says this is actually a case or a
Okay.
custom painted job or something like that.
Okay, good.
This one and this one are the 2 that everybody hates. They think they're incredibly ugly, and that there's no way that that's an iPhone.
Yeah, I'm sorry, but Apple did not design that.
Yeah. And then here's the last one. It looks
Right.
a lot like the first one.
Got kind of both the rounded design going on there.
A little thicker,
It
like
looks-
people were saying.
It's well, and you know, if it's gonna have all the features we want it to have, like GPS and that kind of thing, it's gonna be a little bit thicker. I mean, It just has to be for even just battery life.
I like the button because the button seems a little larger, but it has like this.
And it has a very Mac feel with it being so rounded like that.
And black and white, like the screens.
And that might end up being what it kind of looks like, but
I don't know. I guess we'll find out.
Yeah, I guess we will.
The other thing I was going to talk about is the pricing and the sizes and stuff.
Yeah.
So my prediction is that it'll go from 8 and 16 to 16 and 32.
Which is a good prediction. I think that's going to be true for sure.
And that the prices will stay the same, $399, $499 for those two sizes. But AT&T has rumored that they are going to be discounting them $200 if you sign up with them.
Right, which Apple, supposedly is a rumor, Apple's letting...
other countries?
letting phone providers do this now, which they didn't before.
And why?
And so, probably to get them to stay with AT&T because they're really trying to keep people from unlocking and going to different carriers. So if they give them an incentive, hey, we'll give you $200 off if you sign up for a contract with AT&T. You might get people signing up with contracts for AT&T. So
I think that's a very smart idea. Yeah. Because if you think about it, if people are paying $60 to $100 a month for their bill, that's only a couple, 2-3 months that they're going to lose.
Definitely.
Otherwise, they're not going to get that service at all.
Okay.
Third-party applications.
Yeah, we're on to third-party apps.
Okay, so my third-party app is NewsSync. I hope that's how you say it. And basically, it synchronizes your calendar on your iPhone with your Google Calendar.
Which is huge because Doug loves his Google Calendar. Does everything through his Google Calendar.
And it does it over Edge or Wi-Fi. You don't have to be connected.
It's a little slow.
It's a little slow, but I have a lot of calendars.
That's true. You do. You do have a ton, a lot.
And basically what you can do is you can set up the stock calendar or your default calendar that it'll write back to. But all of the other calendars that you subscribe to, like your friends or work or anything, they'll pull into your calendar, but you can't really. You can edit them on your phone, but it won't write them back wrong.
Okay, got it.
And it won't write them back to your personal calendar. It knows the difference.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, it's pretty sweet.
Yeah, that's good.
And I have a bunch of them, but it works really well. I mean, that's pretty much it. It just synchronizes your calendar like it's supposed to. It doesn't do it in the background yet. Hopefully that's something they figure out. But I have a feeling Google will do something like this anyways with Apple.
Yeah, with the App Store. Oh yeah, definitely.
I mean,
I think we'll see a lot of Google apps launched.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
And yours is IntelliScreen.
Mine is IntelliScreen, but if you guys been following the website, I just restored my iPhone yesterday. So, oops.
Except you want it locked.
Oh yeah. Well, I was gonna go in and see all the options, but so I don't have it on my phone yet. But it is one of my favorites, so I'm gonna use Doug's one. But what it is it puts a bunch of information on your lock screen so that you don't have to go into your phone to get like things like your calendar or your birthdays. Or what's really cool is it has things like a news feed or your email. And one of the options, you can totally rearrange it. It's totally customizable. You can choose what you want, what you don't want, how many of things you want. If you wanted to show only new stuff or everything, or tons of options, really customizable. The thing that I really like is that the news feed section allows you to add your own RSS feed. So like I can add Apple iPhone School's RSS feed, and I can have that on my front screen. feeds.feedburner.com/Apple iPhone School.
Yep, so you can put that right in the front of your phone if you want.
Yeah. Yeah, keep track of everything. And then another cool thing is that when you're on your lock screen, let's say you want to launch like something.
Text message. You get a new text message.
Yeah, you can swipe it and then it allows you to launch right to that.
Yep,
or there's like weather. If you swipe that, you can launch right into Weather Underground and get all the information about weather.
Oh, does it launch Weather Underground?
Yeah.
Ah, I didn't know that.
And one of the new updates too adds the ability to put more than one weather location,
nice
which is cool because in my stock one I have more than one weather location.
Yeah.
So it's nice to have that on my lock screen too.
And you can scroll through them. So like if you pick 10, you can. You can scroll through them.
Yeah, it's really good because sometimes you think it'd be like too touchy and you'd like mess up or something, but it's pretty sensitive. It knows right where you're scrolling.
Yeah,
it's really cool.
Well.
Some people have complained about it really sucking their battery life, but I haven't noticed that, and I don't think you've
installed for a long time.
Yeah, you haven't really noticed that, have you?
Nope.
So I guess you'll have to let us know what you think about that. I think there's kind of a mix of opinion on that. So, all right. Well, that is our third-party app section.
Yep. On to the web apps.
Yes, web apps. Okay, so my web app is Nearby Now for the iPhone, which actually isn't even available yet. It's available in June, and we have a video of this on our website, and I did a quick post about it. But it's actually, this is really cool. This is, for me, this is what the iPhone is all about. Like, this really shows the capability of the iPhone. what it is like these malls are set up with this web app, and then when you enter the mall, it'll give you like what's map.
Yeah.
It'll give you like a map of the mall, but not only that, it'll show you like if you want something, you can search for it, and it'll show you which stores in the mall have that thing.
It searches
and
their
it'll
live
even,
inventory.
Yeah, it'll even tell you if something's on sale, how many they have of it, if they have the size. Like it goes into really good detail, and
awesome.
it's totally interactive and up to date, and like it's really, really cool. And I think this is technically already kind of there's a web version of it right now.
Reddit website.
Yeah, a website version, but it's not compatible with iPhone not till June. But it's really cool.
They have to set up in malls individually.
And there is one in our area. I think if you go on the website now and you type in your area, I think that'll kind of give you an idea of whether or not they'll have it or in malls in your area. Yeah, and they have one of my favorite malls around here is on there, so it's very cool.
Yeah,
I can't wait.
We'll have to go out and video it when we go.
I know, yeah, totally.
My web app is actually just came out today. I just got an email.
Yes, we haven't even done a review of it yet.
No, it's Evernote.
Yes.
And basically what Evernote is you can either from your phone or scan in images of like documents and objects. Usually stuff with text is what you're looking for. And then it searches that text. And so like you can basically make everything paperless, and you can scan receipts, and you can take pictures of things and do all that stuff. Well, basically they made a web interface for it, so you can see the stuff on your iPhone.
Yeah.
So you can search through your
nice
documents.
Nice new iPhone capable, yeah.
Yeah, and it's really nice. The only downfall of Evernote in the iPhone is that the iPhone doesn't have a very good close-up camera.
Right.
So if you try to use Evernote...
No macro or anything.
No, so hopefully the new camera has a little better quality or something, because I've tried it a few times and it's not clear.
Evernote doesn't, pick it up very well.
No, but Evernote has some really sweet applications for both the PC and the Mac, and a web interface, and now an iPhone interface. And so...
we'll have to get a review out about it, because it's a really in-depth, very well created application. Yeah. When it's on your PC and your Mac. Yeah. But it does pretty well on the iPhone.
I'm sure they'll come out with the application to the App Store someday.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So that's it.
That is it.